So the plan is to make them aloo biryani
and shoot it for the first time.
So,
Let's get started. Now we are here with our ingredients. Our first ingredient is onion, jeera, sliced tomatoes, yellow food coloring, whisk curd, 20 minutes soak basmati rice, potato, water, ginger garlic paste, turmeric, coriander and jeera powder, biryani masala, oil, red chili powder, salt and garam masala, and fresh mint leaves, fresh coriander leaves and butter. Now these are our ingredients. Now let's start with the recipe. Now we are starting with the oil. This is some butter. These are some jeeras. These are 2 elaichis. This is the cinnamon. This is the pepper. Some bay leaf. Some cloves. And now the water. Some more water. Five to 6 milliliters water. Sorry. Now water has came to a boil. Now we are going to put 3 cups of rice to the water. And we are going to cook it for 80% for 15 to 20 minutes.
Let's start with the marination. The first ingredient we need is the yogurt or curd. Next is the biryani masala. So this is the biryani masala. Put it maybe 1 or more half teaspoon. The jeera dhania powder, half teaspoon. Haldi powder, half teaspoon. The red chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon. Salt, half teaspoon. Chopped dhania, half teaspoon. Chopped mint, half teaspoon. We are going to whisk the marinade. So the batter is whisked nicely and looking nice also. Now we are going to put the potatoes in and mix them nicely with a spoon. We have to keep this marinate potato for 15 to 20 minutes. Then it will be nicely marinated and ready. So the next part is to fry the onions for the barista onion. This is oil which is mediumly hot. Put the onions in that. Let it roast on the medium flame, low to medium. Now the onion is looking golden brown and ready. So our barista is ready and we are going to remove this onions on this stage.
Now we are here with the next stage of recipe to make the dum aloo gravy. Now there is some oil and some butter. The onions. ginger garlic paste. Now the onions are roasted nicely. Now we are putting tomatoes. Now we are adding some salt as per taste. Now we are putting the marinated potatoes. Now it's aromatic. Now we have taken half gravy out for the layering. Now put half of the rice into the gravy and spread it uniformly. The half rice is put in this. Now we are putting some fresh mint leaves and some fresh coriander leaves. And now some biryani masala. Some garam masala. Some diluted yellow food coloring. And now some diluted red food coloring. And now the second layer. Now put the remaining rice and spread it uniformly. Now some more fresh mint leaves and some coriander leaves. Now some more food coloring. Now the red food coloring. Now some barista onions. Now some biryani masala. And some garam masala. After the whole process, close the biryani very tightly that the vapor could not. The final biryani looks like this.
So tempting. Bye.